Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a timer in CapCut. Let's begin. Adding a timer in CapCut can be a useful tool for creating dynamic videos, especially if you're making tutorials, countdowns, or simply want to add a sense of urgency to your content. It can also be a fun way to create engaging visuals for challenges like time-lapse videos or special effects. You can use the timer to count down or count up, and you can customize it to fit the vibe of your video. So, how you can add a timer in CapCut? First of all, you need to open the CapCut app, and there are multiple ways to do it. Once you open that, you need to click the create a new project if you haven't already to begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this project that I have been working. I'm going to play it through, and I wanted to create a timer. Now, if you don't have a timer, a footage of your own, or a video of a timer, there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one option is going to the overlay, add an overlay, and then you can simply go to the CapCut's library and type in timer. All right. You can choose from any of the following timers that you can add here on your video. All right. For example, like this one right here, let me click that to see if this is going to be the timer or countdown that we wanted to add in our video. This is not what we want. How about this one right here? If this is okay, click the add button, all right, and place it to your video. For example, I'm going to add it just around here, right? Just a very small video right here. It's not intervening. So that's one way. So if you hover down here, place it forward so they are equal in length. So if you place your playhead from the beginning, that's going to be your timer. Right? So we have that in place. Second option is go to this website called Pixabay, and you can search from any of the following timer that you wanted. All right. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Select that. It would be forwarded to the section and just click the create button. Now it has an option to download. Click the download button. You would be forwarded to the section wherein you can download from any of the following file formats. For example, I'm going to be choosing the first option. Click the download and click the download button. Once it's downloaded, I need you to quickly switch to your CapCut. Go to the add overlay and search for the downloaded video. All right. And as you can see, we have successfully imported the video right here. You see that? This video right here came from the Pixabay. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.